Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to share your Amazon cart with someone. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into our Amazon account by using the email or mobile phone number associated with your account. And if you haven't done so, you might want to create your Amazon account here. And once you've done that, now, the first thing we need to do for us to be able to share our Amazon cart is create a list so that you can share it with your family and friends so they can view and edit them as well. Now, from your account here, as you can see, you have your lists here. And if you haven't done your list yet, just simply create a list. Right? Now, from here, all you're going to do is rename that list. And use lists to save items for later. All lists are private unless you share them with your friends and family, right? Now click on create list. And from here, obviously, you can choose one of the following options right here. You can manage the list. Now, here's what you can do. You can have anyone with a link can view your list without being able to make edits. You can have an option for view and edit. People you invite can add or remove items from your list, change quantities and priorities, and post comments. They can also participate in a private group chat with you to exchange ideas to help you with your shopping. They will also receive notifications, including usernames, each item or each time someone joins or leaves your list. Right now, if your list was set up to private, it changes to shared right here. Right, click on that, and once you have done that, all you're gonna do is click on this link right here. Click on send list to others. This is the way you can share your list or share a cart to someone else, right? Now, again, anyone can view your list without making edits, but obviously you need to click view and edit. And if any case you encounter this one, create your profile to collaborate. To collaborate on, you must have a public profile, but you also have the option to invite others later. And from here, just copy a link, right? Send it to your friends in a group chat. If you have like a project management board, just paste it. Or you can invite by email, click on it, and what will happen is when you click on it, you will be directed to the default messenger apps. Or simply get a share a cart for Chrome. Click on it because this plugins is what you need to build a list and share it with your significant other, business partner, or book club friends, and a lot more. Click on this one. And once you've done that, obviously, the share a cart extension will do the work for you, right? Just click on add to Chrome. And from here, it allows you to share the contents of your cart with anyone else. Share a cart is the easiest way to share the contents of your shopping cart with anyone else. No more moving items from cart to wish list and backward. Simply, it is a very efficient when creating cart ID to share and collaborate within your teams or your friends and other collaborators. And everything covers a wide variety of online grocery retailers and some of the major online sites. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.